Welcome, friends. It's Bob and Fran, your healthy aging advocates and mentors. And we have a special takeaway for you today that has many, many benefits.
To us, healthy eating is the #1 life strategy for healthy aging. Since we switched to a plant-based diet about 14 years ago, it has personally enabled both of us to overcome devastating life-threatening illnesses. Now, with a stronger immune system provided naturally with this diet, we very rarely even get a cold. We have minimal stress and maintain a positive and happy outlook. Plus, our energy level makes it difficult for folks half our age to keep up with us. Now we're in our 80s and we feel better than ever.
So today, we invite you to just give a plant-based diet a try, just for one day. We encourage you to take the Plantbased challenge. And what this means is just one day of eliminating all meat and dairy products in your meals and snacks. For one day. Did I say that before? And see how it feels. For recipe ideas, we love a website called thebeet.com. That's spelled B-E-E-T. The Beet is a fantastic online all-in-one guide and resource to eating a more plant-based diet.
Going plant-based can help you lead a healthier life, and making the switch for a day is the first step. Avoiding meat and dairy can help reduce the risk of the following diseases. You can reduce your cancer risk by eating plant-based foods that are full of antioxidants that fight toxins. You can fight obesity with the fiber in plant-based foods that makes you feel full longer and improves your gut health. You can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by keeping your sugar level low and steady all day. You can reduce the risk of heart disease with nutrient-dense foods that are low in saturated fat.
And eating a plant-based diet for just one day helps the planet as well. It saves the same amount of water as not taking 100 showers. It also saves the equivalent in emissions of not driving 20 miles, to make that 29 miles by car on an average day. And it saves the equivalent of 30 square feet of forest, or 40 pounds of grains, or 20 pounds of unhealthy gas emissions.
Also, going plant-based just for one day saves the life of one animal. There's a lot of benefit by joining the Plantbased challenge. And if you find that this plant-based eating experience is enjoyable and tasty, maybe you will choose to eat this way once or twice a week. And who knows, maybe this will become your permanent choice for everyday healthy living.
So there you have it. Please, just give this a try and maybe ask a friend or two to join you in this challenge. Just pick a day, very soon, don't delay it. Pick a day and simply do it. It's actually very easy and fun. And we will always be here to help you if you have any questions.
If you're already eating plant-based, please share this video with as many others you know who could benefit. And this is important. If you are up to this challenge, just say, "I'm in the comments section, and anything else you'd like to say in the comments section below.
You have everything to gain by trying plant-based for one day, and you'll be glad you did. So please say, "I'm in."